This is how you make a travel itinerary for visa application using the website visadocs.ai. First, enter the basic information needed such as destination country, arrival and departure date, and finally, your full name. Make sure to use your name as stated on your official travel document. Once you have checked and validated the entered information, you can move forward to the next step. Select your mode of transportation to the destination country, then the cities of arrival and departure. Make sure to use the entry and exit points where you will be clearing immigration or crossing a border. For extra customization, you can then add the cities you will be staying in or local attractions you want to travel to. You can even add hotels you booked. For this example though, I will skip that step to keep it simple. Once you're done with all these steps, you've reached the final step, which is the itinerary type selection. For this example, you can choose the basic itinerary with a simple itinerary exported in English. Or you can use the Basic Plus Support itinerary, which will give you customized email support, an additional itinerary created by an expert on request. This itinerary type will also be exported in both English and your destination's country language. For this example, I'd like to have an itinerary in French, so I'll choose this option. All you need to do before exporting your final PDF itinerary is paying the fee. This can be done through basic credit card payment or through platforms like Google Pay or PayPal. I'll go ahead and use dummy card details for this example before moving to the next step. Perfect! Now the payment is successful, you can go ahead and click Generate PDF Itinerary to get your embassy-ready travel itinerary PDF. Note that if you decided to take an itinerary with premium customer support and extra itinerary curated by an expert like I did, entering an email address will be mandatory. The itinerary generation process takes in most cases no longer than 1 minute. So sit tight and relax, your PDF will be ready in no time. Great! That was fast. Now I can download my freshly generated travel itinerary. Since it's a PDF and was translated in French, I can easily just print it out and add it to my visa application folder. Travel itineraries generated on visadocs.ai are well structured and feature all the necessary information required by embassies when it comes to visa application. If you added custom cities, attractions, and hotels, all of these will also be correctly added in the itinerary. The whole process took no longer than 3 minutes, and I'm guaranteed to have an itinerary that complies with pretty much all embassies worldwide. So next time you need a travel itinerary, think about visadocs.ai for a stress-free and bullet-fast itinerary generation.